Have you ever noticed you didn't want something until your friend wanted it first? The jacket, the new phone, even that person in your class you suddenly find attractive. Why does that happen? That's not random. It's what French thinker René Girard called mimetics, or the imitation of desire. We don't just copy what people do. We copy what people want. A kid sees another kid playing with a toy, suddenly that's the toy they want. Apple releases a new iPhone. Nobody really needs it, but once the crowd wants it, suddenly everyone has to have it. It's not the object itself, it's the fact that someone else desires it that makes it valuable. Girard's point, desire is contagious. Think about the story of Cain and Abel. Both brothers bring an offering to God. Abel's is accepted, Cain's is not. Instead of asking, "What can I learn?" Cain sees Abel as the rival. Cain doesn't just want God's favor, he wants Abel's position with God. His desire is mimetic, and that rivalry leads to the very first murder in the Bible. Girard would say, mimetic desire, left unchecked, always risks turning into rivalry and violence. This isn't just Bible or philosophy, it's everywhere. Social media. Why do trends blow up on TikTok? Because we copy not just dances, but the desire to be part of what others want. Dating. Sometimes you don't notice someone until suddenly others are interested. Rivalry sparks desire. Friend groups. Ever argued over something small just because both of you suddenly wanted the same thing at the same time? That's mimetics in action. It's the invisible force behind consumer culture, fashion, FOMO, even online drama. So why should we care? It explains our conflicts. Many fights, big or small, start not because the thing itself is important, but because we copied someone else's desire. It reveals our vulnerability to trends. Advertisers, influencers, and algorithms know this. They don't just sell products, they sell desire. It invites us to self-awareness. If desire is contagious, the question is, who are you catching desire from? Do you want what you want, or what someone else told you to want? René Girard's theory of mimetics shows us we're not as original as we think. But if we learn to recognize borrowed desires, we can choose differently. Less rivalry, more authenticity, and maybe even more peace. So next time you feel that sudden urge to have what someone else has, stop and ask, do I really want this? Or am I just copying?